Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Downshift. I'm your host Nestor, and today we're doing our very first carbon fiber install on the Corvette C8. Now we are working with a few custom carbon fiber companies right now, and we are getting products really soon, but today we're actually going to be focusing on an OEM product from GM, and that's actually for the carbon fiber mirrors. Now, of course, this car does have a lot of carbon flash on it. The wheels are carbon flash, the actual, accents, carbon flash, roof, carbon flash. Everything about this car is carbon flash, but the goal of this build is to essentially make all of the black parts on this car carbon fiber, other than the wheels, because that sounds extremely expensive. Alrighty, we just picked up the box from the shipping company, and here it is, and wow, I have to say, this is actually really light. It almost doesn't feel like there's anything in the box. Ready? Is it gonna fall?
I don't see nothing.
This weighs nothing.
I know.
This weighs nothing. Like all right, take a look at it. Take a look at it. Okay. What are your thoughts? Let's see the big reveal.
Hold on. Okay.
Oh, dude, how little does that weigh?
Weighs pretty much like nothing.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's like air. And you ready?
Oh, that's beautiful.
That's clean, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that. So I guess it just goes on top. So we see the double-sided tape here, and let's see if this thing slides right on. Okay.
Oh, it's a perfect fit.
So that's pretty much.
Oh, that looks sick. Look at that.
Don't even have to take it off.
Yeah, there we go, guys. It's good to drive. Look at that. It's perfect.
Wow. So here's the funny thing. I actually don't know which one weighs more. All right, so rubbing alcohol. This stuff is basically like gold. It's the last one we have.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna use it, put it on here, the usual.
This is how much we love the car, okay? That's our last supply of rubbing alcohol, and we're in COVID times, guys, so we're kind of using it all on the mirrors right here.
Yeah, luckily we're in Canada though, so it's not that bad.
It's not too bad right here so far, but who knows?
Flip it that way.
Yeah, we got the 1LT package. You got to do the good old manual flip.
That's it. Does that look clean?
Oh yeah, it looks beautiful, like a baby's butt. All right, so what we're doing here is we're just making sure that these adhesive strips are exposed on the outside of the mirror. That way when we slide it on the mirror itself, they are just kind of exposed to us. We can pull them and the actual stickiness will adhere to the mirror. Now, of course, it does really suck that these kind of slide on and that this doesn't come off. But at the same time, there's really no weight savings to be had from these simple mirrors. How much do you think these weigh?
It's a few grams.
Yeah, probably half a pound or something. Maybe. So no real weight savings there.
So we just looked in the box and we realized that these sterilizing pads actually come with it. So guess what? We're just gonna use them.
Yes, sir. All right, let's start pulling it off.
Okay, that's good there. All right, so I'll start from the bottom one right here.
Let's do it.
That's one.
All right, let's
go ahead.
The second one here. Well, it's tight. Yep, you're pushing it too tight.
Okay.
A little less.
Yeah.
Like a lot less.
Fully off.
All right. All right, there's another one. Let's go over the back side here. Yep, just keep pressing it. Let's get these all off and then we can press it all over. Okay, last one from underneath if you got that. There it is. All right. Now at this point, it's just all making sure it's all pressed nice and firmly everywhere.
Okay, looks good there.
Here, we can fold the mirror in as well. I'll hold this side down, you hold that side. And let's just make sure everything's nice and...
Hold it for a couple seconds.
Yeah. Okay, so one of the carbon fiber mirrors is on, and honestly, it looks really good, but it's a bit lonely compared to the rest of the car. We got to get some more on this thing ASAP. Let's go ahead and do the other side, and we'll show you guys the finished product. Yep, go ahead.
Okay.
Nice.
Put some force on that one.
Yep, put some nice pressure on it.
You can see a tiny bit of orange, but it's fine.
Do you want to get that last one out first?
Yep. Okay. Oh, got a tear. Oh. There we go. There.
All right, now we put some force on it. Let's fold it in.
Yep. All right. Let's try not to smash this into bits.
Alrighty, so we got the other side mirror on. We're just cleaning it up here with a fresh microfiber towel. Getting it all looking nice and pretty.
Look at that. I see a reflection.
Oh, beautiful. So what we have to do here is we're gonna have to get this PPF'd as soon as possible. I paid a lot for these, so I definitely don't want them to get, any rock chips or anything like that. Unfortunately, I do have to drive a little bit before we can get it PPF'd, which isn't smart, but gotta do what you gotta do, right?
Alrighty, so that's it from a distance right there. That's one side. That one doesn't stick out as much, right?
Yep.
The passenger sticks out a little bit more. Let's have a look. Oh yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
Doesn't look too bad with the black, but I think we need a little bit more carbon, don't
I think we need a little bit more, and here's the thing. Let's show them a little sneak peek here. Oh man, all right, we got some heavy parts coming in here, boys, with the Corvette. Jokes, it's carbon fiber, it doesn't weigh anything. Okay, so what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, a fresh package that just came in today. We got some custom carbon fiber parts from our buddies over at AG Motorsports. Big shout out to them. We're gonna unbox this stuff in a future video, and of course, we're gonna start the install. We're not gonna tell you exactly what's in the box. You guys are gonna have to wait, but there's multiple components in here, so it's gonna be an awesome time. All right, guys, but that's gonna do it for the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, definitely drop a like as it helps us out.
Yep.
Make sure to subscribe because, as always, we do have some carbon fiber coming real soon. And let us know in the comments, what do you think of the carbon fiber mirrors? Did we do a good job with this? Let us know.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Peace.